Welcome to our channel. Starlink Maritime is transforming the way sailors, cruisers, and yacht crews connect at sea. For the first time, you can get high-speed internet offshore, far beyond cellular range. This changes navigation, safety, and even daily life on board. With real-time weather, HD video calls, and remote monitoring, Starlink becomes more than a luxury, it becomes a safety tool. In this video, we'll explore how it works, what it can really do offshore, and why it's becoming essential for modern boating. What Starlink Maritime is. Starlink is SpaceX's satellite-based internet system, built on a giant LEO, low Earth orbit, constellation. The maritime version is Starlink's dedicated service for boats, yachts, ships, ferries, offshore vessels, and commercial fleets. Goal is deliver high-speed, low-latency internet anywhere at sea, even thousands of miles offshore. Gear. How the technology works. 1. Satellite constellation. Thousands of small satellites orbit at 550 km. Because their low orbit latency is dramatically lower than traditional GEO satellites. 2. Maritime antenna on board. A flat high-performance dish, or two for redundancy, is installed on the vessel. The antenna tracks satellites automatically, no user alignment required. Clear sky view is important for best performance. 3. Network integration on the boat. The dish connects via Ethernet (PoE) to a router or the yacht's existing network. Power, typically 12/24 VDC, compatible with most marine electrical systems. Easy integration with NMEA routers, onboard Wi-Fi, crew networks, passenger networks, etc. 4. Low latency. LEO orbits reduce latency to 25 to 50 milliseconds, enabling video calls, live navigation apps, cloud tools, streaming and gaming. Ship performance at sea. Typical speeds. 40 to 220 megabits per second download, can be higher on priority maritime plans. 10 to 25 megabits per second upload. 25 to 50 milliseconds latency. Global coverage. Coverage now includes most oceans, transatlantic routes, remote sea zones, and Arctic/Antarctic expansion is ongoing. Real-world stability. Stable in offshore passages, anchorages, coastal cruising. Can vary with congestion, weather, or very high latitudes. White heavy checkmark. Benefits and limitations. Benefits. High-speed internet even in the middle of the ocean. Low latency compared to classic satellite systems. Simple installation. Ideal for yachts, commercial vessels, digital nomads at sea, remote work, IoT monitoring, and security systems. Scalable one dish or multiple for redundancy. Best performance requires a priority maritime plan, more expensive. Needs clear sky view, mast, radar, sails can cause obstruction. Heavy power draw compared to small onboard devices, usually 60 to 150 W, power considerations, managing consumption. In our experience, the Starlink draws about 6 Ah. About what a small fridge requires. Understanding power consumption helps you plan your electrical system properly. Power requirements. Standard dish, 25 to 60 watts average, 120 watts maximum. High performance dish, similar consumption but with DC power option. Starlink Mini, lower power consumption, DC power input for ultimate efficiency. Power supply options. Use onboard inverter, most common approach for recreational boats. DC conversion kits, third-party solutions for direct 12V/24V operation. Dedicated marine power supplies, purpose-built for boat installations. It is recommended to power the Starlink and any downstream router from a power source protected by an uninterruptible power supply, UPS, to protect against voltage spikes common in marine electrical systems. Remote polar regions may still have partial coverage. Direct hit. Who should use Starlink Maritime? Sailboats and yachts needing continuous connectivity offshore. Commercial vessels, cargo, ferries, fishing fleets. Superyachts offering internet to guests. Maritime IT operations, ship monitoring, Starlink-based cybersecurity. YouTube creators, remote workers, IT consultants at sea. Thank for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.